At the end of this video, you will have the addiction weapon. Any girl you use this weapon on will become addicted to you. Believe me. Today in this video, you will understand with me the psychology of a girl, and you will know exactly what you need to do to make a woman addicted to you. It's often said that the best way to get a girl to like you is to make her feel good about herself. But you see, this might be true to a certain extent. But if this is the case, then how come those nice guys who always try to make the girl feel good about herself never get girls? It is because just like anyone else, those guys don't understand the real truth behind the core female psychology. What I am about to share with you might be a bit hard to believe, but this is the secret most men don't really understand about women. I will now explain the concept to you, and after that we will move on to the practical part and how to do it. The best way to get a girl addicted to you is to make her experience a full range of emotions, which goes beyond just making her feel good about herself. This includes pain and pleasure at the same time. Pleasure alone won't keep her satisfied for too long. They want to experience other emotions as well. This is the major reason why so many women are into TV soaps, which have a big element of drama. Women, in fact, want drama in their life and are strongly attracted to men who know how to trigger it. Do you eat the same dish every single day? If no, why not? Well, I am guessing for the simple reason that after a while you get used to the taste and then it's not fun anymore. Similarly, making a woman experience only one emotion on a daily basis is like feeding her the same dish over and over again. Eventually, she will get bored of it. Let's consider an example here. Why is it that females can't help but feel attraction towards guys who tend to have a bad boy attitude, although they know that these guys aren't trustworthy in the long term and will eventually hurt them? Another example would be of a wife whose husband keeps on cheating on her over and over again, yet she lets him back into her life every single time. Why is she doing that when she already knows it's harmful? Well, simply because the element of drama is extremely high in the above two cases. As long as a woman gets to experience a whole range of emotions, she can't help but feel attracted. And this is why many guys end up in the friend zone, because they don't stir her emotions. The difference between a friend and a lover is emotions. A lover stirs the emotions. So how do you do this? But don't forget to hit the like button. We want to reach 1,000 likes on this video. As long as she can't figure you out, isn't sure about what your next move is going to be, and is always looking to find out more and more about your life, you will be feeding her with all the vital elements of perfect drama she is looking for. This is the main reason why it's okay to argue with her once in a while and make her mad over something. Don't be scared to make her cry once in a while. I know this can sound a bit hard to believe, but trust me, they want a full range of emotions. And look, if you ask me what is the fastest way to win a girl's heart, I will tell you it's to make her laugh and cry. Men don't understand this. They think if they make her cry, she'll leave. But no, if you manage to make a girl cry and then make up with her afterwards, if her attraction to you was, for example, 610, it will become 810. You must keep her confused and insecure. And as long as she remains confused around you, you will always be a puzzle she hasn't solved yet, because of which she will always feel attraction towards you. Never tell her that you are into her or like her. A lot of guys think that girls want to know the way you feel towards them. But it's better not to reveal it to her unless you are about to marry to her. As long as she doesn't know the way you truly feel about her, you will always come across as highly unpredictable, which will trigger a full range of emotions in her head. And this is the secret to making any girl in the world addicted to you. She must not know whether you want her or not. She can know that you are attracted to her. But whether you actually want her, she should not know. It's okay to show attention, but it's important to avoid her once in a while. Never let her know completely that you like her, and at the same time don't give any indications that you don't like her. Keep it in the middle. Start acting busy for a few days and avoid meetings or talking on the phone. When she asks why you have not been talking to her, don't tell her anything. Just change the subject and move on to something else. This is where she will start guessing and the whole drama scene would start. Based on my experience, guys are afraid that the girl will forget them. They are afraid of making her angry. So whenever she contacts them, they respond. Whenever she sends a message, they want to reply. No, don't be afraid of making a girl feel negative energy. Don't be afraid of the girl's reactions. Please, I know I tell you this in almost every video in this series, but it's because I want you to understand it. If you are watching me and following this series about attracting women, I want you to start doing this. I'm not someone who creates a YouTube channel just to attract your attention. So you watch me and then leave without doing what I told you. I don't make these videos just to get views and make money. I want to help you. If you have any questions or problems, please write them in the comments and I will answer you or make a video about them. If there's one thing I want you to take from this video, it's to not be afraid of the girl's reactions. Don't be afraid of making her angry. Don't be afraid of making her cry. Don't be afraid of her forgetting you, and don't be afraid of her losing interest in you. Because look, if you're afraid that the girl will forget you, she will forget you. If you're afraid that the girl will lose interest in you, she will lose interest. This is a rule I want you to remember throughout your entire life. Why do you think women go around talking to their girlfriends regarding guys who are hard to figure out? Why do they always try to break down a guy's actions trying to figure out whether he likes them or not? It's simply because this is what women enjoy. And if you can be the guy who can give them a full range of emotions, they will be devoted to you for life. And ever since I started this series, I've been getting a lot of comments saying that I'm teaching young men manipulation techniques. And that this is a bad thing. No, this is not a bad thing. This is what the girl wants. A woman doesn't want you to be nice and give her attention all the time. The girl doesn't want you to be nice. The girl wants you to challenge her, to make her laugh and cry. And look, the girl wants her life to change completely and become full of excitement when she enters your life. The girl likes drama. She likes the thrill. But the key here is not to be consistent with your actions. It's all about showing her that sometimes you can be good, other times you can be bad. Sometimes you show loads of attention, other times you act as if you don't even know her. Sometimes you are straightforward, other times you are highly confusing. Sometimes you are easy, other times you are just too hard to handle. Sometimes you care a lot. Other times you act indifferent. Sometimes you answer her phones right away. Other times you don't answer it for days. Don't give her enough feedback to figure you out. And as long as she can't figure you out, you will remain on top of her priority list. And now we will move on to another important thing. Imagine this scenario. A guy, where do you work? Girl, I work as a nurse. Guy, wow, a nurse. That's a great job. It suits you, and I know a lot of nurses, and so on. I want to remind you again that a woman is an emotional being who communicates through feelings. In this case, the girl will interpret these words like this. Wow, you are very amazing. Anything you say is beautiful. I want you. Please love me too. But imagine this scenario. Guy, where do you work? Girl, I work as a nurse. Guy, a nurse. I don't think that job suits you. You look more like a teacher, and so on. Do you see the difference? Please, don't keep complimenting the girl on everything. Treat her like you would a male friend. Don't give her easy approval. If you ask her where she is from, and she says, I'm from New York, don't say, wow, New York is amazing, and keep praising New York. No. Always try to challenge her. Diminish her a bit. This way she won't know that you want her. And look, don't go directly and say to her, I don't want you. You need to convey this in an indirect way. You need to make her feel this. And remember, it's about making her feel a full range of emotions, not just making her feel good all the time. If you've got any questions or need some more advice, drop a comment below. I'm here to help and might even make a video just for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to 1,000 likes and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future tips. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Keep learning, stay confident, and just be yourself. I'll see you in the next video.